Yeah, this is TV station, and it is a non-Dante TV station. What I mean by that is this particular RTS Atom, this is the Atom M frame. This is not going to have an Omnio card. An Omnio card is going to use Dante, and we can interface with Dante without needing an I/O device. In this case, we have a 16 by 16 Motu 16A as our I/O device, and we're taking up to 16 audio feeds from RTS, bringing it into the Motu, making those available to Unity Intercom, and those IFB and mixes and program feeds are available to everybody out in the field. And in the case of Dante, where we have an Omnio card or we have Dante, it's even simpler. We don't need the Motu. We don't need any hardware. We just need the Dante Virtual Sound Card. That's software that's downloaded from Audinate, put on the computer, and that becomes our sound card, our virtual sound card, and that's our I/O device, so to speak. So the Unity server, using Dante Virtual Sound Card, is actually going to grab those audio feeds those Dante audio feeds over the network, and it's going to be able to interface that directly with Unity Intercom, making that available to everybody out in the field. So Dante is real easy when you have that option. Without, that's no problem. We like the Motu 16A for a device there, but yeah, that's about it. I think that I wanted to, do a quick video showing you guys, hey, what do I need to purchase? What makes up a typical Unity intercom system? There you go. A typical intercom system, once again, it's going to be this to start with: a base, the I/O, some user licenses. Oftentimes, it's going to be a little more muscle to it. It's going to have the advanced and the expanded channels and groups. And again, I'm Mike Marston. You can call up and ask for me anytime. We're here to help. We appreciate you guys, and just thanks for watching.